ago. I am very excited to announce that our commentary on the book of Samuel is almost upon us. I know you have been waiting patiently for this release. Because of this, the team has decided to make the first 3 chapters available for download to whet your appetite as we iron out some few details before the release date. Unlike the book of Joshua and Judges, the book of Samuel is wholly different. Here the stage is occupied by outstanding personalities. The Bible elaborately describes their characters, their activities, and the fate that affected their families. Unlike Joshua and Judges, it narrows the scope of the narrative to the lives of its heroes. From the onset, the opening sentences of Samuel mark a clear change from the narratives in the book of Joshua and Judges. Here, the Bible presents the story of one Israelite family. This is a story of a man and his family, his wives and children, the love and jealousy within the family, the sorrow and the joy of a woman, Hannah, and the fate of a boy, Samuel. This biblical book is intent upon telling the story of the prophet Samuel, his parents, his background and environment, and his advent as a prophet in Israel. Unlike Joshua and Judges, the book of Samuel is a book of personalities. All the stories center around 3 outstanding persons, Samuel, Saul, and David. In this book, we revive familiar terrain with fresh perspective as we track the odyssey of these 3 personalities to reveal newfound treasures of understanding integral to the biblical story. Follow the link in the description box to grab your free copy of the first 3 chapters. Do not forget to send us a review. I'd very much like to read them.